What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. As you see, I am on the Trademark website. And, I like to say all the time, man, actions speak louder than words. And me personally, I want to live by example. So, once you create your brand and you get your business idea or name that you want to go with, like I say, you want to come here and you want to type it in here. Check and see if anyone got it. It's very easy to do it on the trademark site. You can check, you can put it in different ways, but you want to come up with something that you can own. And once you know you got something you can own, once you know that, hey, you got something, other people are riding with you, other people had started representing it with you, then you want to go on and own it before someone steals it from you, or someone gets it from under you, because it can happen. So it does cost, everything costs money, but just say you do all the necessary steps. You got the vehicle, you got the business location, you got the flyers, you got the insurance, you got everything, but you didn't spend under $300 to secure your name, to secure your trademark, your image, or whatever your situation is that you got going. That's very important. So just to show you with actions, I'm going to put HogOn in now. And this is another thing that I learned too from talking to the trademark office lady. You want to trademark the words first before you do your image, because you can have boundaries on it. If you do straight image and say your trademark consists of this one thing only, then someone can steal or infringe on the other part of it. They can say, well, he didn't say it wasn't specified like this. And she was like, a person can steal it from you, a person can get it. So you want to be smart and trademark your wording first, and then trademark your image, and then you can also trademark the mark and the image together, and you can have them all separate as all three. That way you can own all areas of it. So you will eventually come back in and you'll pay for a different one and a different one, just to keep covering yourself, to make sure, because if you got something, you want to own it. So as you see, I put HogOn in, and I guess got it spelled regular so it looked like Hogan, but I put it in the right way. When I actually filed it, I filed it like this, as you see how I got it spelled. That's how I filed it, because it stands for honoring our generation ornamental nature, getting our hog on. And I put it as one word because, that's how we say, man, hog on. You know what I mean? And it means, to continue doing what you're doing, to go that extra mile, to literally go that extra mile. You believe in something, you get your hog on and you make it happen. So I'm going to show you what happens. So we're going to come up here after you put it in. We want to see if anybody got it. Oh, shit. Check that out. Somebody do got it. I got it. You see what it say? It's live. The owner, the business, and my personal name. Because we own this. This is owned by us, by me and the company. So that's what you got to do, man. Actions speak louder than words. A person can say what they want to say, but at the end of the day, it's about product over talent. Hold on.